Hi y'all, it's Jeannie from Bushnell Unscripted. Today I have a canvas that I got off of Amazon and I'll link it below. Some of you may consider it rude or definitely one you would not do, and that's okay. I will not be offended. This is an inside joke that I have with a friend, and so I'm going to complete this one for her and send it to her. So with that aside, we've got just a simple toolkit. That is all you need to do the diamond painting with. We've got a little train of colors here. Just check out the palette. Oh, we got a little hitchhiker in the black. So 3 tins. These are acrylic drills. 2 310s. Got quite a bit of green. 3 501s. So mostly black and green. I like that color. No specialty drills, no ABs, no fairy dust. Okay. All right, prepare yourself. I apologize in advance for anyone who finds it offensive. Are you pooping? Anyway, I will not explain details, but it is a funny situation and it's something we make light of. Anyway, that's it. I thought it was adorable. And it's just a little stiff canvas. 21 colors. As you can see, the majority is definitely green. It's made to look like the part of the, I guess, wallpaper or paint would be peeling. 3 cute little cats looking at you. The drill field is very clear. This will be, it's a 30 by 40. It's an easy little finish. The words gonna definitely pop and look great. But yeah, it looks good. Let's see, I'll bring it up some more. Even inside the ears there's quite a bit of detail. The eyes and the nose. So I'm gonna get this finished and pop that in a little frame for her. But that's it, just a little tiny one. Thought I'd share. Please keep love and kindness on repeat, y'all. And until I see you again, goodbye.